Hi all. In this session, we'll see how to sort a custom object based on a specific attribute using Stream API. For example, we are having a list of employees and we wanted to sort on the basis of name or employee ID. If you'll see here, we are having list of employees and each employee, if you'll see, this is the employee project class. Already I have created. Okay, so in this class we are having two attributes, employee ID and employee name. So here you see we are having list of employee. The employee ID is 123, name is Narendra Sahu, like this. Employee ID is 125, name is Anand Mishra. So like this we are having a list of employees, and what I want to sort this list of employees by using his name. So if I sort, so I want Anand Mishra will come first, then Dilip Singh will come second, like this. How to make the sort of the list, you see. So it's a custom object, user defined object, right? So first we'll use this, actually we'll use the Stream API to make it. Okay, it is very easy to do and it is advanced code. We need to know that it's Java Stream API. Okay, it is very important. Okay, so on this list we'll call this stream, we'll open a stream object. Then what we need to do, we need to sort, right? We need to call this sorted method. You see there is a sorted method on the Stream API. So you see which sorted method will call the, if we'll call the first sorted method, it will sort based on the, if it is a predefined object like integer or string, then we can call that fast sorted method. But here we need to mention, right? We wanted to sorted based on what? Based on ID or employee name or other attribute, right? So we need to remember that comparator and comparable interface we used to use, right? So comparator we used to use, right, to do the sorting. So here we'll call this we'll call the second sorted method, and here we'll pass our comparator logic. So what we need to do, we need to create a class and we need to implement that comparator interface, and we need to override that compare to method. So all this, that compare method and all these things we used to do in the traditional code, but here it is very easy. Here you need to remember few syntax, that's all, and you need to understand and practice the code. It will be very easy to write. In one line of the code I will show you how we can make it short. You see, we need to pass a comparator logic, right? I will say comparator. So then we need to pass the comparing logic, right? So comparator dot comparing, we are having comparing, you see, comparing method. So here we need to mention like which, on basis of this comparing, this is a existing method by the Stream API. Okay, so if we'll tell which attribute if will pass here, if will pass employee name or employee ID, as per that it will make the sort. So I wanted to say, hey, you sort as per the employee ID. How to pass it? We can use here method reference. We'll say employee. Employee is the object name. You see, list of employees, right? So you will say double colon and you will mention get name, get employee name. If you mention like this is the way of passing the attribute. Okay, this is a method reference. So you see, if you do so, it is already sorted, and this sorted will return a list actually. Okay, so this, if you'll see, this is a sorted list. Once again it is a stream, list of stream. So how to print it, we need to print this list. We can print by using a for each loop. We can use a for each loop to print. So I will say like this, dot for each, and I can print. If I can use e system.out.println e. So if we'll print it, you see what is the output is coming. You see, Anand Mishra came first, Dilip Singh came second, Kiran third, Narendra is fourth. It is sorting or not? It is doing the sorted things. You see, we passed Narendra, Kiran, Anand, Dilip, but here we are getting Anand, Dilip, Kiran, Narendra. In sorted it is showing. Even in for each loop also, no need to pass these lambda expressions. We can, there is a shortcut way. We can use this system Method reference here also we can use out double colon println. How method reference is working, you check in my old videos, you will get. So this also will give the same result. You see, it is giving, you see, this sorted order by default ascending. You see, it is sorted the names by ascending. Anand A first, Dilip, Kiran, Narendra, ascending order. But if you wanted to sort, if interviewer will ask sort it by using descending, so what you need to do, you need to mention here which type of order. Default is ascending, so you need to, a method is there, reverse order. Okay, how to get that method? Once again, if you write comparator and dot, if you put, it will give you that method, reverse order. You see, if you call this, that means you are saying name, you sort it with respect to reverse order. You see, now the sort will happen in reverse order. You see, Narendra Sahu is coming in reverse order, it sorted the list. You see, so if someone will ask any specific ID, instead of employee name, you can pass get employee ID. You can say get EMP ID. Okay, so as per the ID, it will sort, and reverse order it will sort. You see, now you see 126 it came fast, then 125, 124, 123. Okay, so this is simple. In one line of code you can able to do. So this is one line, actually I breaked because of to make you more understanding. Okay, this is one line. You can, if you wanted to print, then you will call for each. If you don't want to print, you can collect it, collect dot collector dot to list, like this you will call collect dot collector dot to list. You see, like this you need to call, so it will return a list, and you can hold that list here. Instead of printing, you can hold that list here, employee list, and you can make use of it. It's possible, no problem. So in one line we are able to do the sorting things. It's easy to do. Only the things you need to remember few syntax, and you need to understand, and you need to practice once. It's very easy, and it's very important interview questions. If you really get something from this session, please like and comment. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel. It will be really motivate me to create some more videos for you. Thank you so much.